The revolution will be live.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy ZXP. I'm here in the building and giving y'all another do-it-yourself install. Unfortunately, I lost part of the initial section of this video, but I was able to get the big meat and potatoes. But in that, I was able to kind of show how the shift rod was inverted, but me actually doing it, I lost that part of the footage. But just tune into the rest. I do apologize for that, folks. Alright, so I was finally able to solve the issue with the clearance on the with the shift rod, but there is some spacing issues here, because when I go to shift, it's pushing the fairing a little bit. I got the quick shifter set up, sensor up here, but I will figure this out. But I didn't think I would get it done today, but looks like it worked out. I'll do it like a test run with the dog waiting for me in the back, but yeah, it's possible, and I just did it. Yeah, so everything is gonna be one up and everything else down. It's nice and firm too, so shouldn't have any missed shifts or anything like that. Just experimenting. If I don't like it, I'll go back. You know, especially with my commute to work tomorrow, we shall see. So just again, for my 14 guys, I want to use this channel as a vessel to kind of make sure I haven't seen any in-depth explanation of such. So that's kind of why I do what I do for the channel, for you guys, and mainly for me. And anytime I've done a video, I went to search it and didn't find it, so I'm like, I'm gonna be the one to make it. So again, so I'm gonna try this thing real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna fire up the bike. Alright, so up for first gear, then down. Yeah, luckily I have the heel tech on here, so I can literally shift it hands free, kind of go right here, 2, now 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, this is pretty cool actually. Alright. So I got it situated. So up, I'm ready in first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Alright. Very happy. That was pretty easy. So I'm gonna kill it. Put everything back to normal. Alright, well, you know what? Not bad at all. Proof of concept. I didn't have to do the fairing clearance. Everything worked out once I tightened everything. So, cool beans. Alright, so shout out to Absolute Cycle. Steve had to do some chain adjustment, and I got to test out that GP shift bad boy setup. I'm loving it. I am loving it. I didn't know what I was missing until I tried it. Man, that we're gonna have some fun with that. Trying to set things up so that there's no excuses for me in terms of missing shifts and missing gears and all that. That setup is freaking awesome. It was sounding like these leader bikes with these race tools put in there, but oh man, I had to come back with that one. The feedback is fantastic. Loving it. Alright, folks, just had to give you my feedback. I didn't have my camera on there to do the 360 stuff. I'm kind of backlogged on videos, so I'm trying to record less and put some good stuff, good content out there. So that feedback is fantastic. I just had to get used to making sure when I'm at a full stop, not to push down, but to push up. You know, so oh my goodness, I'm giddy. I can't wait to do some stuff with it. Again, rate, comment, subscribe. ZX Predator. I'm out.
Ha 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 ha!